Hey, how's it going guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another live trading session. So in this short video, I'm gonna break down my trade that I took on my live trading session. The reason I stopped recording was because it was taking super long and I had to wait for some positions and I got it stopped out. And here I want to break down exactly what happened and what you shouldn't do in order to prevent yourself to get stopped out. So this is very important guys. Please pay attention to this video, and then the video after this is going to be my live trading session, so stay tuned. So I'm going to break down the gold trade that I took this morning guys, and I have the analysis in the next video, so I'm not going to analyze it here, but I just want to show you where I got stopped out. The first mistake I made was trading on a 1 minute time frame. Guys, you got to stick to your plan. If you're trading on a 5 minute time frame, stick to a 5 minute time frame. However, 5 minute time frame can give you a stronger momentums and it's not as choppy as a 1 minute time frame. So in a 1 minute time frame, everything is all over the place and it's super choppy. It could be super confusing. It gives you some momentums that it doesn't give you on a 5 minute time frame. That exactly happened what here, and that's why I got it stopped out. So let me show you where exactly it happened. It happened right here if I'm not wrong. So the first thing I did was identifying all the order blocks, but in a 1 minute time frame guys. Look at this guys. See, when I was trading, oh it was here, sorry, I got stopped out somewhere around here. Let me just remove this. Okay, so I saw this a strong support level before the price, before the candle blasted into this support level, and then after that I saw this momentum here, like this correction, and then after that, when the price dropped again and grabbed the liquidity here, I was like, okay, that's really good. I can see a very good order block from here to here because of this gap and this support level. It doesn't count, but look at this. Because of this gap from here to here, I thought that it's a really good order block, it's a high probability order block, and I just wait for the price to get back to this zone, and then I take my sell position. What's better than that? It's in a 1 minute time frame, it's a sniper entry, this and this. I was super happy because of this gap here. I knew that it's a high probability order block, and the market is bearish. So I took my position. Let me show you exactly where I took it. Probably, yeah, I took my position here, exactly after this second red candle here. I took it here, my stop loss here, and my TP right here. This is where I took it, and see what happens. Boom, I gotta stop that easily. What's the reason? 1 minute time frame. Now let me show you the exact setup on a 5 minute time frame and tell me what kind of momentum you can see. I can bet you that you can't see any momentum, me either. So just let's keep it here. Let's go to 5 minutes. See where I took the sell position, like out of nowhere. That's what I'm saying. It's very important to trade on a time frame that is more clear. Now if you're talking to a swing trader, they're gonna be like oh, 5 minutes super choppy, trade on 4 hours, trade on 1 hour, it depends. But if you're a scalper, 1 minute could be a little bit more difficult than 5 minutes. Exactly the same thing that happened to me here. I thought that was a high probability order block, but when you go to 5 minutes, you were like, oh man, there's nothing there. Like, why did I take this sell position? And something interesting happened right after that in a 1 minute time frame. So I got to stop out here, and this is done. And now right here we have a really good support level. See, because it blasted into this support level, and then see what happened. So the price came back. It gave us this momentum, and then boom, bullish engulfing candle. It got closed above that. It was a really good trade. It could be a good trade, but I didn't want to trade on 1 minute again. But if you wanted to take this position, you could do that because we have a clear break of a structure, correction, momentum, and then bullish engulfing candle, and the price got closed here. You could take a profit here easily. But if you go to 5 minutes, you see that there's nothing here. Still, there's nothing here. There's no clear trend. It's consolidating. We don't have a clear order block here. We actually do here. We have here, and if you use your Fibonacci retracement tool, you'll see that we have our golden zone exactly right here, and 70% is exactly right here. So it actually kind of it didn't respect that 50% zone, because after that it just dropped significantly. See, it dropped significantly, but in 5 minutes I want to show you what kind of momentum we had. So this is done, and then literally after that it blasted into this zone, which used to be our support level, grabbed all the liquidity, and then the candle after that just kept dropping. That's it. See, breakout, correction, momentum, rejection towards downside, and then sellers came into the game, and then you could take your stop position. It's in a 5-minute time frame. Super easy. See, it's a 5-minute time frame. It's more clear. You know what's going on. But if you go to 1 minute and see the same setup, you see that it's going up and down, up and down. You don't know what's happening exactly here. So you don't know if it's a break of a structure, it's a correction. What is that exactly? So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's very important. And one more setup that you could take on gold before all this stuff happens was this one here, guys. See, we all know that we have so much liquidity in this zone here. Okay, we have so much liquidity here, and if I want to draw my line, my horizontal line, see that we have liquidity here. Buyers got their position here, they put their stop loss here, and then literally this candle blasted through the support level, grabbed all the liquidity, and then the candle after that, again, it broke the resistance level, which used to be our primary support level. So this is on a 5-minute time frame, and it's not a correction, it's a break of a structure. So you know that when this candle dropped and grabbed all the liquidity, and literally the candle after that broke this resistance level, it means that the market just wanted to grab the liquidity and change its direction. So it's not going towards downside, most probably. I'm not saying for sure, most probably, because of this strong break of structure again, and it's a bullish engulfing candle because it got closed above the previous candle. So if you were to take your position from here and put your stop loss here and your TP somewhere around here, see what would happen, guys. Boom, smashed. Because you know that you are trading based on liquidity grab, you're trading according to banks and institutions, so you're more confident to take your trade. You know where it is, and the chart is more clear because it's on a 5-minute time frame. It's very important, guys. Please pay attention to that. But if it wasn't a break of a structure, if it didn't get closed above the previous candle, then there's less chance that the price just shoot up like that. So this is what it is, guys. It's super easy. I hope that you learned something from this trade. I learned a lot. If you did, give me a thumbs up right now. Turn on the notification bell after you subscribe to my channel, and let's go to my live trading session for my market analysis. Thank you so much, and see you soon.
Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with smartincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. I'm starting my day with NAS100 5-minute time frame, but before that, let's take a look at Forex Factory to see if there's any news for today or not. Okay, so we go to calendar, and then we go to January 24th. And I always look at the most important ones. Okay, so we have these 4 news. There's nothing for US, but we have this CPI for Aussie, trimmed mean CPI for Aussie. Nothing for US, but for Euro, it's already over. So we have 7:30 for this one right here. Okay, so let's go to NAS100 to see if they have any potential right here. So the first thing I notice is this strong break of a structure here. So it means that it's definitely a bearish trend. You can just literally see that, but we have lower lows and lower highs, and this massive break of a structure here. See this massive break of a structure here. So that makes it a really unique trend. However, I'm just trying to find a strong order block to kind of target my zone. Let's go to 1 hour to make sure that, okay, so in 1 hour we have this order block right here. This is an hourly order block. This is our order block in 1 hour, and let's look left to make sure, because this, guys, NAS100 is literally filling in all the gaps here. See, there's so many gaps here. It's literally filling in all of them. And if I use my horizontal ray here, here, and here, the lowest points, you'll see that it already has smashed all of them. It's already has smashed them all. It's crazy. It means that this liquidity, all this liquidity is gone. It's gone, literally gone. So there's so much left here, so much left. This is too far, guys. This is 2021, but you know, this is what the market does, grabbing all the liquidity. So I'm not gonna go too far. I just drew my order block in 1 hour. Let's go to 30 minutes. This is a really good one too. In 30 minutes, yeah, we have this low probability order block here, if I want to kind of point it out. But what I do is that I use my horizontal ray, and then I set my alarm. I set my alarm here, so whenever it gets to this point, then I get notified. Super easy, nothing special. I know what the trend is. It's definitely the downtrend, and there's no target here that I can, because this is the lowest of all time, you know, somehow since 2021. So I just wait for this price to do a correction, definitely, and then I take my trade. So let's say this trade, this momentum here, this is kind of weird. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to that one, to be honest, but you know, it doesn't hurt to do that, right? It doesn't hurt to put your order block here as well and do this, right? This is a really good one. Okay, let's go to Eur Usd. Eur Usd, let's see what we have right here. A 5-minute time frame. Oh wow, look at this, beautiful. Look at this, beautiful. Perfect. Perfect order block. You know what's happening, guys? The reason is that it's a high probability order block. It's exactly because of this huge gap. Let me just put it here. It's exactly because of this huge gap right between this order block, like this candle, and the next candle after that, which is this one. So it's super strong, guys, and it's definitely downtrend. So we have two momentums like in one picture. And the next one that I can show you, which is the high probability order block, isn't this one? It's not this one. Yeah, the closest one is this one. See, it already grabbed the liquidity. It already grabbed the liquidity, so all the buyers have been stopped out here. So we have a shadow here, see, and the market is trying to reach this level, and then hopefully it gives us a sell momentum that we can take our sell position. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm super excited for this one because Eur Usd usually gives us such momentums, like strong bearish or bullish engulfing candles, and then it comes back to that level, fill it in, and then it reverses. But this is a really obvious one, guys. Liquidity grab, see, it's already grabbed the liquidity, buyers gotta stop out, and then let's see what happens. Either just breaks into this support level, and then what it does is that you know, it just breaks into it and then do a little bit of pullback, and then it continues towards downside, or just goes up, tap into this zone, either breaks it or come down even further. So there are two scenarios for that, which is a really good one. And we have a liquidity grab here, we have momentum here, but I'm not going to take liquidity grab. I'm going to wait for order block to get filled in, because there's a high chance that because since it's a support level, the price can kind of grab the liquidity one more time and then go up. That's why it's kind of risky. It can work, I'm not saying it doesn't, but I'm not gonna take the risk. I'm gonna wait for this high probability order block and then I take it. So this is for Eur Usd, even in 1 hour. I'm gonna see a picture if we have. Okay, so let's look left. This one right here, this one right here. Look at this. We still have so much liquidity left. Look at these support levels, guys. These are all support levels. Look at them. Look at them. This is a support level which is broken into. See, this support level now is our resistance level, but it's broken into. Now we gotta wait for a correction, and then we can confidently take our trade. And this is exactly where it happens. This is exactly where it happens. So yeah, that's gonna be an interesting one, guys. As I said, there might be another liquidity grab right here, because we have this liquidity here right now. If I want to draw it for you, and then it goes up. Who knows? We don't know. We're gonna look at it. But I have my alarm here, relaxed, and then I'm going to GBPUSD to see what's going on here. Okay, GBPUSD. GBPUSD. You know, they're almost, you know, the same as Eur Usd almost. Not, I'm saying that they're the exact same thing, but this breakout structure caught my attention. But wow, look at this huge gap, guys. Look at this massive gap. They have to get filled in. Like, there's no choice. They have to get filled in. So, but when, we don't know exactly. So let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah, in 15 minutes, we have this order block here. This is a 15-minute order block, guys. High probability, for sure, because of this huge candle here, and then the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. Depends where it closed, but so far we have this gap, this arrow here. That's why this is our high probability order block. So we're gonna wait until this price get back to this zone, and then we'll see what happens. So what I'm going to do is just putting my zone here, my what do you call it, my alarm here. I'm gonna go to 30 minutes. Yep, exactly. See, this is a high probability order block. But look at this, guys. Look at this. There's so much gap. So it means that if it gets back to this zone, there's a high chance. I'm not saying a high chance. There is a chance that it breaks into this order block and filling all these leftover gaps here, because we have obvious ones. So they have to get filled in, guys. Otherwise, you know, I don't know when, but as I said, this is a high probability order block, so we gotta take a look at it. We gotta wait for it to see exactly what's going to happen. And yeah, exactly. Let's see what the market is going to do. Even if I use my Fibonacci from here to here, you see that we have this golden zone exactly around my alarm. This is a Fibonacci level, guys. 50% and 60% is somewhere around here, but this could be our, you know, golden zone. So that's why it's a very, very strong zone to wait for a pullback. And before that, you shouldn't do anything. It's better not to do anything. Okay, so this is for GBPUSD. Let's go to gold for a second, guys, because I haven't got any notification, so it means that our zones haven't been tapped into. This is gold, guys. So for gold, we don't. This is a low probability order block plus. This is a really, really strong. What do you call it? There's a very strong zone here, like resistance line, resistance level, and this one right here. See? So we have these two strong zones that have so much stop loss, like so much liquidity, so the market has to kind of come back to kind of stop them out. However, we don't know when, because we have this breakout structure here, so it means the market is even bearish, more bearish. The value of US dollar is going up. That's why gold is dropping. It's because of the news that's been happening recently. And also, if I want to show you the other stop losses, the other liquidities, see, this one could be a good one because of the lowest points we have. It makes it a high probability, you know, liquidity grab here. So the market can try to reach this level, stop out every single buyer, and then do a reversal towards upside. But it's definitely a stopping out every buyer that bought their position here, because they thought that the gold is going to, you know, push significantly towards upside. But as you can see, wow, it's crazy. The next bullish candle that I see, I draw my Fibonacci, and then I'll see where it ends. But I'm not really using it. I'm just using order blocks. But it's not a really good thing to, you know, consider right now for today. Gold is not potential, guys, to be honest with you, because even if you look at the bigger picture, you see that we have so much consolidation, like so much consolidation in one like in one box. See this? So much consolidation, so it's not really a good thing to trade. Even this trend line has been broken and it's kind of choppy right now. And this was a good trend line, by the way, but I'm not trading based on trend lines. I'm just saying that it was a potential one. So yeah, for gold, I'm just waiting for pullbacks, but right now what I'm looking at is Eur Usd, which is not moving at all. Sorry, NAS100. NAS100. Okay, so NAS100 is trying to create this resistance level. See, guys, NAS100 is trying to create that. However, it's not a obvious zone that we can kind of count on, because it's just in the middle of nowhere. So you gotta be patient. You gotta wait for a good entry and then take your position there. Otherwise, just screws you up and it gives you support and resistance levels out of nowhere and stop you out all the time. So it's always better to be patient and trade high potential, high probability order blocks. Okay, so see, guys, if you wanted to take it here in 1 minute, then what if you get a stop that here, like out of nowhere? It's not worth it. Maybe it comes down, who knows? But I'm saying that just try to trade high probability setups. It's better for you for the long term. It's better for everybody. It's better for your account. Your account will be happy. And yep. Okay, so let's go to Eur Usd this time, really. Yeah, this liquidity grab is like continuing. See, guys, we have this break of a structure here. So what it can do right now is kind of breaking this line. It can also do a little bit of a break of a structure, like, sorry, a pullback after this. Like, probably comes down here, do a little pullback, and then go towards downside. Or it can simply go towards this order block here. But this is a really obvious one, guys. This is a really good one. Like, for Eur, you see, if you find such a thing, just stick to it. Don't trade anything else. Yeah. But yeah, let's see how the price is going to react. So far, we don't have any setup, guys. Just sit back, relax. If you don't take any trade, we don't take any trade. That's totally fine. We don't have to trade every single day. So just, you know, another analysis video that we have. But let's see. I mean, we don't know. It's 9 a.m. So New York stock exchange market is opening in 30 minutes. So we still have plenty of time. I'm gonna wait for an hour, like an hour more, to see if we are going to have any setup or not. Otherwise, I just leave the charts and I come back next day. So this is what I do. I'm not gonna wait forever. You know, I also got the other stuff to do. So 1 more hour is what I wait for a good setup. See, guys, this one in GBPUSD is a really good one. This order block right here. This order block. But this is too far. That's what I'm saying. This area needs to be filled in. There's so much liquidity. Okay. So can we really count on this order block? We don't know. Because in 5 minutes, there is no high probability order block. We actually identified this order block in a 15-minute time frame. So this order block is kind of a, you know, could be a high probability one. But if you guys hear from me, I know that this is going to be filled in. But when we gotta have a very strong momentum here, like a, you know, head and shoulders, a very strong bullish engulfing candle, break of a structure. We gotta have this break of a structure, 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 to make sure that the trend is trying to change, not just taking your buy position here and putting your stop loss here. We gotta have a strong momentum towards upside to make sure the market is changing the direction, and then you have a good indicator of that. Okay, gold, we already, okay, so gold, guys, let's do something with gold. See, guys, this is a really good resistance area, right? So we have this break of a structure, pull back, and the next candle after that, whatever happens, is a break and retest that we can take. It's just a regular break and retest, and it already happened after this break of a structure. Boom, see, it broke above this resistance level. Again, it broke below that, and then look at this momentum here, guys. Look at this momentum. Look at this rejection. So this is a good one for a break and retest, where, as I said, break and retest is always low probability, always. So if someone took their trade here, they got stopped out easily right now, because they put their stop loss right here above this level. They get stopped out, or even here, who knows, and then the market do a reversal. But right now there's nothing to take. Like, if you want to take a buy position, you have to wait for this high to breaks. If you want to take your sell position, you gotta wait for this one. So it's exactly in the middle right now. It's choppy, I don't like it. And if it's a 1 minute, I don't like it either. So okay guys, look at this, look at this. Let me show you. It depends where this one gets closed. If it gets closed like above this, we're gonna have a gap. See guys, let me just remove this. Can you see this gap? Depends on this candle, and the next candle after that, we're gonna have a gap, a really good one. Let's see. I don't think so. I'm just saying that. I'm just guessing. Okay, so let's see if you have any high probability order block, guys. This is a really this could be a high probability order block in 1 minute. We don't know. I'm just saying. GBPUSD, GBPUSD, GBPUSD. 1 minute. No, it's super choppy. Eur USD. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, guys. Look at this beautiful rejection. I'm gonna take my position here, guys. It's too late. Shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you want to take a look at 5 minutes for all of the pairs, then you get lost easily. But in 5 minutes, we don't have any pullbacks. It's just in 1 minute. I'm going to wait for a pullback, and then I can take my position. But gold, yeah, let's see. Gold and GBP Eur USD, okay, for now. Okay, so it's not too late, guys. Because they usually do such corrections after every drop, especially this one. Let's see where it closes. Eur USD, gold. Okay guys, I just got a sell position here, as you can see, in gold in a 1 minute time frame, because of this order block here. You can see this is a small order block, it's a high probability one. I took my trade here, yes, exactly right here, and then we're gonna see what happens here, because we have liquidity here. So I'm assuming that the price is trying to reach this level to stop out every buyer. But as I said, the market is opening in 20 minutes. We gotta be careful, guys. And whether we get it stopped out or we get a profit, doesn't matter. We always can re-enter for a better position. Although we have this gap here, that's what I'm saying. We got to be careful with that, because there's a chance that the price gets back to this level, anytime. So we got to be careful with that. And Eur USD doesn't look good. See, it's playing around. It's not good at all. This resistance level, support level, is not getting respected. See, guys, it's exactly in the middle of the picture. So I'm not gonna count on it, guys. It's so many liquidity grab here. I don't really like the picture of it. So I'm just gonna leave Eur USD. Let's see what happens, guys. I'll keep you posted about my trade for gold. Stay tuned. I'm going to post it on my Instagram and my TikTok. The breakdown, the breakdown analysis. Don't forget to watch them. If you have any question, drop your comment below this video. I personally get back to you personally. So okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you so much for watching it, and see you next time.